Let's look at this question now. An arithmetic progression and a geometric progression both have their first term as 2. If the fourth terms of both AP and GP are equal, then what is the minimum value of the fourth term? If it is known that both the common difference of the AP and the common difference of GP are natural numbers. Okay, so it is given that AP and GP have the both these have the same first term. So first term is given as 2 for AP and for GP. I'm assuming the common difference to be D and common ratio to be R. Let's write the subsequent terms. Next term would be 2 plus D, third term would be 2 plus 2D, and fourth term would be 2 plus 3D, right? And the fourth term of GP would be 2R is second, 2R square is third, so 2R cube would be the fourth term, and these terms are equal. This is given that these terms are equal. Okay, let me find these terms then. 2 plus 3D, it must be equal to 2 times R cube. 2 times R cube. Now, one thing is also given that both the common difference of AP and the common ratio of GP are natural numbers, and this information is very important. If D and R, these are natural numbers, so I can replace these or I can find the values by using hit and trial. I can put value of R as 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on to find the value of D. Correct? I need to find the minimum value of the fourth term. If it is known that these are natural numbers, minimum value of fourth term will be at the minimum value of R and D, correct? So let's put R equal to 1 now. So if R is equal to 1, what do I get? 2. And in this case, it becomes 2 plus 3D is equal to 2, and I am getting D as 0, which is not possible because these are natural numbers. Let's put R equal to 2 now. So I get 2 plus 3D as 8 into 2 is 16. So I get D as 14 by 3, which is a fractional value and it is not natural number. It is also not possible. Let's take R is equal to 3. So I get 2 plus 3D as 27 into 2 is 54. I get D as 52 by 3. Again, which is not an integer, right? Not a natural number. So this is also not true. So let's take R equal to 4. 2 plus 3D now become 64 into 2 is 128. If I subtract 2, I'm left with 126. And if I divide 126 by 3, I get 42. So yes, this is the very first solution for R and D as the natural number, right? So this is the minimum value of R for which this relation holds. So this would be the minimum at R equal to 4 and D equal to 42. The minimum value of fourth term will occur, right? So the minimum value of fourth term would be 2R cube, that is 2 into 4 raised to the power 3. 64 into 2 would be 128. So the minimum value of fourth term would be 128.